With less than 24 hours until showtime, AMC is going to be issuing the shares of the APE dividend, or the AMC preferred equity. And guys, we may finally get the share count that we've been wanting for a very long time now. I want to talk about what this is going to look like for AMC stock, for APE, and for the investors that are here for a short squeeze. Because guys, there's a lot of people out there that still don't realize that this APE distribution is a form of dilution. I can't stress that enough. I can't say that enough. And they simply are starting to believe that the more money AMC has in the bank is better than if there is short interest in existence. So I do want to talk about the pros and the cons a little bit about the APE distribution here, but nonetheless, I want to focus on what it means for tomorrow morning when APE begins trading on the New York Stock Exchange. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting 6 free stocks. $1 crypto trade, you're going to get $5 in free crypto. So make sure to check that out, especially AMC's dipping down. It's not too late to buy shares of AMC, to buy shares of APE. If you want to get in, if you want to own those, you're not going to be able to receive it as a distribution, but nonetheless, it's going to be trading on the open market. I did a video yesterday talking a little bit about the assumptions that you can make with APE stock. And people are most likely, or based on what I've seen on social media, people are assuming that retail is not going to be trading AMC at all. That there are going to be no shares available. Not in AMC, yes, but APE as well. There's not going to be any shares available of APE or AMC, and that's just not the case, guys. Monday morning's going to roll around, and APE will begin trading. People will begin buying. People will begin selling. And we're going to see that price fluctuate the same as any other share price fluctuates. Now, a couple things that you're going to have to know. It's not just a fake share if you're going out and buying APE on Monday. It is going to be legitimate shares that you're buying as people are legitimately selling that stock. But nonetheless, guys, Adam Aaron made it very clear today that if you have AMC in your portfolio, tomorrow it is going to be reduced in value by the value of APE. That is what a distribution looks like. That is what a split looks like. And typically, what we expect to see is AMC to be trading roughly around $9 and APE to be trading roughly around $9. Now, of course, there can be a slight variance in each of those prices and so on. But nonetheless, what we expect to see is a price in APE that, I guess, quantifies or makes whole the investment that we have in AMC. So now, instead of looking at just your AMC position, you're absolutely going to have to add in your APE position as well if you want to see your total investment and your total value in your AMC entertainment, I guess, portfolio or investment there. But if we're looking at this share count, what does this look like? Is it going to tell us that there's 6 million shares that are naked? No. Is it going to tell us that there's 6 billion shares that are naked? No, we're not going to get some actual number of the X amount of shares didn't receive a APE distribution. We're not going to get a number like that. That number is not going to be able to come by. What that is kind of implying, or what that is looking towards, is all of the brokers at that point would be communicating with each other all across the globe, and in some like central authority would be, I guess, summarizing and adding all of those together and telling us the quantity of shares that did not get an APE distribution. That doesn't exist. Okay, what we're going to see are people's accounts possibly not getting shares of AMC. Now we did, or APE, sorry. Now we did talk about this a little bit yesterday. It doesn't mean, if you don't get it tomorrow, it doesn't mean that you're not going to receive your shares. Cash App said it can take up to 7 business days for you to get your shares. So we're going to have to bear in mind that each broker is going to be slightly different when it comes to the AMC stock and APE distribution. It is going to be broker specific on when we receive those shares. Nonetheless, we should have them in our accounts tomorrow. I mean, that should be it should be the last time, the latest date that we should see them is tomorrow. But nonetheless, it probably will run over a little bit. So if you do not end up receiving a share of your APE distribution, yes, it absolutely could mean that you have a naked or synthetic share in your portfolio. Now, there's a couple things I want to go over about naked and synthetic shares and so on. Because typically, if you have a naked short in your portfolio, it would be marked by an FTD. Now, people are wondering whether or not APE can be manipulated in the same way that they believe AMC is manipulated. Here's the thing. If you're looking at normal transactions, and you're looking at normal naked shorts, and you're looking at these normal fail to delivers, then AMC, in that sense, would not be manipulated like you guys or like a lot of people on social media think. However, what people believe is happening with AMC is that brokers are making fake shares, nothing is getting marked with an FTD, and there are billions of shares in existence that are not marked as fake or naked or having failed to deliver. Now, if nobody's marking these shares in the first place and brokers are just completely making them up, of course, they will make up shares of APE too. Of course, they will just give you the fake share that they somehow gave you in AMC. You see, there's I guess a lack of credibility to that idea that these shares can just be created out of nothing, that nobody knows they exist, and that there's no marker to say that it was ever failed to deliver. And if they can do that with AMC, it would be naive to think that they wouldn't be able to do that with any other position on the market. So guys, it does seem like we're going to have our work cut out for us. Let's put it that way, okay? The best thing that this AMC APE distribution is going to do is potentially uncover a few portfolios that do not receive the dividend, and therefore the possibility that you do have a naked or synthetic share in your portfolio. The worst thing that it is going to do to us is dilute AMC down, dilute the short interest down, and ruin the short squeeze. I'm plain and simple. It's either going to be good or it's going to be bad. There's very, very, very little in between. I want to know what you guys think, though. Down in the comments below, let me know your thoughts, whether or not APE is going to start the AMC stock short squeeze or not. Of course, if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. You're getting 6 free stocks on Webull. You got a free Discord in the description below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.